Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to English Made Easy with me, Miss Dio. Selamat datang di Belajar Bahasa Inggris dengan Mudah bersama saya, Miss Dio. Sebelumnya tetap jalankan protokol kesehatan ya. Tetap jaga jarak, pakai masker, dan cuci tangan. Okay, now let's pay attention to this sentence here. The apple is cut in half. Okay, who cuts the apple? And what happened to the apple? That's the question. Karena kita nggak tahu siapa pelakunya, nggak kelihatan di situ. Okay, now when we want to talk about something, ya kita mau ngomongin tentang sesuatu, kita mau fokus pada kegiatannya, bukan orangnya, we use passive voice. Okay. In a sentence, it usually consists a subject, a verb or predicate, and an object. In active sentence, we say, I ate an apple. But in passive, jadi berubah, an apple is eaten by me. Yang ini optional, namanya by phrase. Passive voice, polanya, subject, be, verb 3, and complement. Jadi, an apple is eaten by me every day. Ini complement ya, pelengkap kalimat. An apple is the subject. Be is verb 3 from it becomes eaten, and this is the complement. The tenses and the be form in passives are simple present, I eat an apple becomes an apple is eaten. Simple past, I ate an apple becomes an apple was eaten. For the simple future, I will eat an apple, it becomes an apple will be eaten. For present continuous, I am eating an apple becomes an apple is being eaten. And past continuous, I was eating an apple becomes an apple was being eaten. And present perfect, we have I have eaten an apple, it becomes an apple has been eaten. And for past perfect, I had eaten an apple, it becomes an apple had been eaten. And for sentences with modal auxiliaries like must, should, could, and would, we use something like this. For example, I must eat an apple, it becomes an apple must be eaten. Is it understood? But remember, only sentences with transitive verbs that can be changed into passive. Transitive verbs are verbs that require an object. Jadi kata-kata yang butuh objek ya, itu untuk transitive verbs. Kalau intransitive verbs adalah kata-kata yang tidak butuh objek. Contohnya, I go to sleep, I go or I sleep maksudnya. That is why she goes to school cannot be changed into passive. Oke, kita coba yuk. Let's change this sentence into passive. She wrote a novel last year. Remember the passive pattern? Tadi ya, subject, be, verb 3, and complement. Subjeknya, tadi kita udah nggak butuh she, jadi kita pakai yang kita omongin ya. A novel. Be-nya was, karena dia adalah past tense. And then verb 3, written, from write, wrote. And then this is the complement. Is it clear? Do you have any questions? If you do, just write down on the comment section below. Okay, thanks for watching.